Good morning, friends. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Let's go ahead and start our day with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Well, friends, I certainly hope that you are being kind to your families at home, your mom and dad, brothers and sisters. Hope that you are spreading kindness wherever you go. And I'm excited to see you all this morning. So I hope that you're going to tune in this morning when we have our Zoom meeting together. And I brought something that I found the other day in my drawers when I was cleaning out and putting laundry away. And I thought, what a fantastic idea. Let's wear our first grade class shirts to our Zoom meeting on Wednesday. So today, get out your class shirt. 11:30, make sure you have it on. Come to the Zoom meeting. Bring a lunch if you like. If you don't want to eat lunch, then that's okay too. And I am going to be reading a new story that I absolutely love. It's called Happy Sad. I feel happy sad today, and I think I have a picture of it here that I can share with you. Happy Sad today. And it's a fantastic book about how sometimes we can have more than one feeling, or we can be feeling happy and sad all at the same time, and what we can do with those emotions when we feel lots of different emotions. So I hope that you'll tune in to listen to this book. If you have this book at home, you could even bring it to the Zoom meeting. If not, it is not a big deal at all. I'm going to read it, and I just want you to enjoy it, and then we'll have some good conversation about it at the end. Okay, friends? All right, as always, be sure to click the next slide to do the pledge and hear the announcements with Mr. A, and make it a fantastic day. See you at 11:30.